Black Friday is fast approaching, and Royal Caribbean has released the first of its Black Friday sales, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Oh, kind of funny, just mentioned in yesterday's video to check for Black Friday sales, particularly check your cruise planner if you already have a cruise booked. And wouldn't you know that right after that, Royal Caribbean released their first Black Friday sale, and it's for onboard purchases through your cruise planner. So let's jump into it and take a look at their sale. Now, these sale prices do not begin until the 23rd of November, so tomorrow on Tuesday is the start, and they go through December the 1st, 2021. And they can apply to sailings from November the 23rd, 2021, all the way through December the 31st of 2022. So if you have a cruise booked already, go into your cruise planner and take a look and see if you can see some of these deals. So the first one will be the beverages up to 50% off. That's Classic Soda Beverage Package, 50% off onboard price. Classic Soda Beverage Package plus Voom Surf and Stream one device, over 45% off of onboard prices. Dasani water cans, 50% off of onboard prices. San Benito water cans, 50% off of onboard prices. Evian water bottles, 50% off of onboard prices. Deluxe beverage package, 30% off of onboard prices. Deluxe beverage package plus the Voom Surf and Stream one device, over 35% off of onboard prices. Refreshment package, 50% off of onboard prices. Shore excursions up to 50% off. Shore excursions discount varies by ship. Please see spreadsheet for specific percentages off. Internet up to 60% off. The Key discount varies by ship. Please see spreadsheet for specific percentages off. Voom Surf plus Stream Voyage Package, 1, 2, 3, 4 devices. Discount varies by ship. Voom Surf Voyage Package, 1, 2, 3, and 4 devices. Discount varies by ship. Dining up to 55% off. Unlimited dining package on 3-night through 9-night sailings. Discount varies by ship. Dinner at Giovanni's Table. Discount varies by ship. Lunch at Jamie's Italian Restaurant. 30% off of onboard price. Dinner at Jamie's Italian Restaurant. Discount varies by ship. Dinner at Giovanni's Italian Kitchen, 25% off of onboard price. Dinner at Giovanni's Kitchen and Wine Bar, 25% off of onboard price. Activities, 40% off. All access ship tour, excluding Grandeur of the Seas. Gifts and gear up to 55% off. Anniversary decorations with champagne. Happy birthday decorations with chocolate cake and strawberries. Happy birthday decorations with vanilla cake and strawberries. Happy birthday bright style. Inky beach set. Inky beach towel, tic-tac-toe. Inky travel set. Red wine and cheese. Royal Caribbean beach towel. Strawberries with champagne. White wine and cheese. 9 chocolate covered strawberries. Photo packages up to 70% off. Photo packages from 5 to 100 print and or digital options. Discounts vary by ship. Photo package private photo session. Discount varies by ship. Photo package picture this private studio. Discounts vary by ship. Photo package all digital discount, which varies by ship. The spa is up to 30% off. Spa packages discount varies by ship. To check if your sailing has this new offer available, log into the Cruise Planner on Royal Caribbean's website. Look for any available offers. Keep in mind that not all sailings may see the sale applicable, nor are all offers significantly cheaper than previously posted. Now, this did talk about check the spreadsheet. never did actually find a spreadsheet. I think that may be a travel agent item that they are receiving or that they're sending out to travel agents to kind of break it down by ship. However, if you go into your cruise planner for your booked cruise, you'll be able to see any discounts that you can apply to your cruise or upcoming cruise. Now, if you have already purchased some of these items, still go into your cruise planner and see if you can get it at a discounted rate. If you can, you do have the option to cancel what you've already pre-purchased and then simply purchase the item again at the promotional rate. So even if you've already have this stuff, hey look, take a look. There's still the opportunity to save some money. And like I say, who doesn't like to save a little bit of money? All right, so this is what Royal Caribbean has currently released for their Black Friday sales, even though, it starts here tomorrow on a Tuesday, but it could still be a chance to save you some money. So I highly recommend you go in, take a look, and see if they have anything that interests you and will actually save you a few dollars. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.